Hello, every single one of you beautiful people. Welcome to today. Which day is it today? It is June 2nd, no, July 2nd, 2021. It is the NFP live meeting. Today, we're going to go through what is NFP going to tell us today. Fantastic day today. Are you excited? I've asked you guys twice in the chat. You guys need to start responding here, alright? So, let's go. Boom. So, as we are coming into today, hope you guys are doing well. It's been a while since we haven't talked together, I guess. I can see Hardy coming into the chat here. Very much welcome, bro. I'm happy to see you here. Happy to see you live, though. Chief, what are you doing? I've been calling you. You called me yesterday. And what did I do yesterday? Like, was I doing something? I was doing something. I can't remember what I was doing. I can't really disclose it online what I did. So, you know, wink, wink, and nudge. So yeah. It is not for public consumption what I did when you called me, but I was not available. All right. Chandra. Josephat, welcome. Gladius Greed, welcome. Hardik, welcome, of course. Happy day. Michelle, happy day. How are you? Hello. Yeah. No, you just have to tell me when you called me. Either I was in a different conversation, or I was in a private room where you do private stuff. All right. Roland asks, "Hi, how are you?" As you can see, I'm smiling today. Right? Today is a good day. Today we have 40 people popping by. Thank you very much for joining in today. Let's get this thing under control. Let's get this under, I don't know. So I have today water to keep us hydrated, so we don't get that hydration. We have, of course, we have Pepsi Max today. We have a diet Pepsi. We have coffee with sugar, chocolates inside, so that we have plenty of water, we have plenty of sugar. I live on hard carbo, so that's kind of what I would do. So, let's see. First of all, what is today? Let's go through what is today. What is today? Today is 2nd of July, 2021. It is the most important data point for this week. We have something to go through here. So, what I just want to go through here is the U.S. non-farm payroll. Expectancies, give or take, 70,000 new jobs added in June. Is that going to be true? Is it not? Who knows? Let's see. Last one was 559, which was a bit disappointing, but still, okay, cool. Yeah, still moves. I think the petition last time was around 6 or 7,000. It was a bit lower, so yeah. The other thing to look out for is this unemployment rate. Where is it? You are here, 5.7. So the Fed wants that to be at 3.54%, give or take. So if that goes creeping lower, how is gold and the market going to react to that? That's what we're going to go through today, alright? Happy day. Why are you freezing? Like, do you live north? Come on, late. Come on, bro. Let's make some dollar bearish. Hello. Well, let's see. Zet? I tried. Tsopo, good afternoon, E. I recently completed your course and I want to learn more. What's next? A lot, bro. Have you got a new haircut? Yes, I did a haircut yesterday, you know. I went from being bushy to, you know, a bit more handsome. Thank you, Michael, for looking into that thing. So, what can we say? What kind of expectations can we look into? So, first of all, baseline, very basic, very basic. We have a growing economy. We have positive and non-farm payrolls, meaning that we are continuing to add more and more jobs. That is kind of what you want to see in any kind of economy, okay? So, first of all, we're growing. At what pace are we growing? Is 1 million too much every month? Probably. Are we at 700,000? Maybe, maybe not. So that's kind of more modest, or 500,000 is more modest. So 700 is kind of like in between modest and strong. The other thing to look out for is how many people is looking for jobs. Then you have to look into what do you call it? Unemployment claims. I can't remember that on the top of my head, but I think that's around 3 million, give or take. So 3 million people are still looking for jobs. So still people to employ. The question becomes, when you get closer and closer to unemployment rate towards zero, is that it gets harder and harder to employ people because grandma, what can we call it? Grandma Betty grandma might not know how to use Excel. She might not be an accountant. She might be doing well with sewing and being a nurse, but she is very bad at accounting. Now there's only accounting jobs left in her town. It will be very difficult to make her employed. There's still jobs available, but you can't match the worker and the employer. So that's getting more and more difficult as you get closer and closer to zero and 100% employment. And in any normal economy, you don't want 100% employment. You always want to see turnovers, people leaving, people coming, so that you always find some more optimum. You always can make your staff more important, find a better fit for your company. Because in this day and era, technology advantages, competitive advantage over your competitors doesn't necessarily always lie in the technology, because technology can be copied in the end. It just takes some years. But people, culture is your most business's competitive advantage. And how they're put together, how they run, how they are together as a team, that could be a business's competitive advantage. And when you don't have that, when you're kind of like, it's a bit of struggles in the system, you want to let that person go and find somebody else that's a better fit for you. So you always want something in this world of what do you call it? Capitalism? Yeah, that's kind of the downfall of capitalism. So today, what are we going to talk about? Trading? Let's go! Oh, I made a deal yesterday. I forgot to tell you guys. I made a deal yesterday. I'm supposed to go into the next today. So a couple of 5 minutes after the video, after the thing, I will go over there. I'm going to give you the most important information here. I'm going to give you my reaction. And are we going to trade it? I have a thought in my head. What if we can see if we can put in a trade somewhere? Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. 0.01 lots. It has nothing to do with, it was real minded by the way. It has nothing to do with the account. It doesn't make it or break it or anything. But if I can see some rules being met, let's see if we can do it. Though whatever I'm talking about in this webinar is only for education purposes, not financial advice. Whatever I do is my personal opinion only. I like your cut, G. Thank you. Boom. Skylam. Shyam. Hello. Anam Soho. Thank you. Hello, everyone. James. Hello. Happy to have you guys here today. So, someone said dollar is bearish. Bianca. No. That is an absolute, complete misunderstanding of what the market is currently doing. Bearish is when the market falls. Okay? And bullish is when things rises. So, currently, this is currently rising. Because in this chart, we are seeing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We don't have any lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, which would be a bearish trend. So currently we have a bullish trend in a bullish market, so we are not currently falling. Okay, so that's the baseline of dollar. We are currently in a bullish market, and I said to myself earlier, I don't know when I told you guys, if I ever told you, anyone at all, I said as long as we are below this top at 92.20, I'm going to continue to look for shorts. And we fell something, but it went back up again. Okay, cool. Now, how does this thing work out? This NFP thing. So let's go into the expectations. Deutsche Bank thinks around 700,000. Westpac thinks around 750. ING looks for 550, and BF thinks 800,000. RBC thinks 570. CIBC thinks 785. TDS thinks 800. So there's two camps here. Okay, there's a camp 700. There is a camp 550, and there's a camp 800 plus. Okay, so which one is it going to be? How are they positioned themselves into this market? I don't know, but if you are going to trade this summer and you're thinking, aha, this might be your last chance to get to trade in, okay? NFP, expect. Okay, so if you're thinking that we're going to go above, going more into 800,000 jobs, that is, in my view, that is a dollar bullish move. If we're coming into 550,000, that is a bearish move. And 700,000, I think dollar is going to do absolutely nothing. You're playing gold live here? Oh yeah, Dominica, we do. We do live gold. Yeah. So I'm going to do gold very time soon, don't worry. So that's kind of my expectation. So if you're going into 800,000, we're going to have dollar bullish. If you're going into 550,000, we're going to go dollar bearish. And if it's around the expectation, I don't think it's going to move. Maybe it's going to go dollar bullish. But remember, it all comes down to what are we actually trading? We're trading reality versus expectation. That is the name of this game. If there's a big diversion between the expected and the reality, we're going to see big moves. Are they close to each other? We are not going to see a lot of moves. We are not going to see a lot of pips. So there is two scenarios in my head. One scenario is that we do a 20 to 50 pip move, or we do a 50 to 100 pip move. If we're doing a 100 pip move, we need to be far away from reality, far out from expectation. It has to be very strong, or very strong, or very bearish. So yeah, okay. Pound yen, sell stops or buy stops, or just buy market institution at 14.30. Ah, you are already on it. So great. Then I want to mention to you that trading forex or this thing is highly risky. But I want to tell you something else. That the reason why I'm here, as I'm trying to be professional with you guys, is that we had a meeting on YouTube here, and I made a trade plan for you guys. Let's see if I can find it. Okay. Do you think I can find it? When did I make that? When did I make it? Come on. Faster. I made this plan for you guys. Plan Gold 2021. 1st of June, I will look for a buy. 15th of June, I will look for a buy. And 1st of July, I would look for a buy. This thing needs, a couple of likes. I got 17 likes. Thank you very much for that, this is a good trading plan. So coming into now, what happened? How did my plan go, bro? So 1st of June, buying 1st of June. Nah, that's a higher high. I'm not gonna do it. 15th of June, how did that go? Well, you could have, potentially, maybe. And 1st of July, that's kind of the setup I wanted to see. So, are you already in a buy on gold? You should, by the way. I know some of my mentorship students are already in a buy here. Because this, brothers and sisters, this is what I've been nagging about, I don't know, for a long time. Double bottom, higher high, higher low, buy. Higher high, higher low, buy. Higher high. Boom. I told you guys. 12th of May. This. To look for this. Okay? 12th of May. That is, what, 1.5 months ago? I told you guys to look for buys and gold. So I don't know what you've been doing. Maybe I should have told you. Maybe I should be more upfront with you. But here it is. The other thing is that, is this a buy? Well, what do you mean, bro? Is it a buy? Well, let's see. That is M2. That is the monthly buyer price. And I'm going to make a pivot point video today. And I'm going to post it today almost no matter what. Today, it's coming, okay? So I'm going to give you the rules of how to trade these pivot point things. And it's amazing, by the way. That's how I make money in this world. And it's absolutely fantastic. So this is the buy zone. This is the buyer price. Alright, cool. What do you then think? Where it's going to go? It's going to go up to 1923. How do I know that? I'm just guessing. But it tends to do that. So, if I have a bullish trade plan for July, I have bullish price at the moment, we have a reversal at psychological level. Which psychological level are you talking about? 1750. Ba-da-bum, boom, boom. Fantastic, bro. Fantastic. Now, can this NFP thing of yours mess things up? Absolutely. Fantastic. It can mess everything up. It can just make a lower low. That's why this is a trade plan. A theory in my head. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. If it goes lower, lower again, what would I do again? I will do the exact same thing. But is there any risk to this situation? Yes, there is. There is. Last COT report, people were taking profit and adding sells on gold. I don't like that, okay? So, how should I play this gold? We're kind of late right now. Okay, we are around 30 pips up. Not 30. $30 up from where, not 30, you are around $20 up from where I want you to buy. Okay, cool. Then we can probably go down to something of day trading maybe. Okay, where are we on the day trades? Day trades. The day trades for today is already at target for buyers. That is risk for buyers, okay? That does not make me happy. So, if I'm gonna buy this thing, I would need to see a higher high and then pull back on Monday. Or pull back today, depending. Okay? So if we get gold bullishness, hopefully, if we get gold bullishness, I would then buy the pullback. The reason why I'm not saying buy now or have buy stops is because we already have taken profit or should take profit for the day already. That means it can fall, by the way, and then go higher again. So when something comes to target, as you can see here, it comes down again and you can get a better price. That's all. If gold breaks 1781, I will sell. What do you mean? It's already at 1784. But if you're gonna break something, you need to at least, okay, 71. No, that doesn't make sense, bro. That doesn't make sense, bro. Why are you selling here? I don't understand, bro. To be honest, there's no trade plan there. If you're selling something, you need a lower high situation like that. So you need to break 1775, maybe also 7070, coming back up to 7075, and then short it. You have to have a resistance. You can't just sell randomly somewhere. Why I had played it out already, and no time. Never do sell or buy stops during news. You will regret it. Thank me later. Lucky you, but I don't believe you. I don't know what you're talking about. It's your boy Spider-Man, but who knows? Yeah. Okay. So the question becomes, am I going to trade within the next 2 minutes? Probably not. Am I going to wait for after the news? Probably yes. Am I going to wait until Monday? That would actually be my preferred time of buying it. So if I say I'm going to buy it, does that mean I'm going to buy within the next 10 minutes? Absolutely not. I still need to set up my trades. So I just made it very clear for you that I would like to enter a new trade after it goes higher high and then pull back. That's what I want to see. That is my trade plan. So we shall see if we'll get it. Euro, on the other hand, as a dollar bearishness move, is not in the same league. This is not a bearish setup. No, bullish setup. This is not a dollar bearish setup. So what can I do here? I can do nothing here. Here is resistance. Here is resistance. We currently have lower high situation. And if I'm going to buy this thing, it needs to reverse. And it hasn't reversed. So for me, this is a mwah. Brokers are evil. Yes. Never date a broker. Never marry a broker. And if you have a broker, count yourself lucky that you are not being... I ordered something yesterday evening and it's already... it's already delivered. Shout out to Norwegian Boston, by the way. That's fast. It takes 3 days normally, working days. I ordered something yesterday evening at like 11 PM and it's already by 2 PM and I didn't order fast track or anything. Those people are fast. Wow. Alright, okay, so I have ordered once before. If you ordered before morning, I have received it the following day evening. And it has been traveling like 200 kilometers. It has to go from the place into Oslo and then down to my town, which is like 300 kilometers just from Oslo, and then it has to like 152. So it's like 450 total travel in a 1.5 day. I was like, wow. But today, huh, oh, okay, cool. So I'm shocked. Okay, so 10 minutes left to the meeting. Cool. Until the news. 5 minutes after that, I will go to Twitternix and I will give my opinions there. What is my opinion right now? I hope that we're gonna get dollar bearishness, but my actual trade plan, my actual thing that's actually gonna go happen, is that we're gonna get dollar bearishness because we are currently bullish. But remember, people, if you are in my Discord today, this morning, if you see here, pound has already taken profit, euro has already taken profit, Aussie dollar has already taken profit for the week. Does that bother you? That bothers the living heck out of me, because if you are a seller on Euro USD, on Aussie USD, on Pound USD, you should be out of your trading. Out, okay? Out. Get out of here. So, but please send me a message on Telegram, Discord, hopefully Discord, or call me I unfortunately can't deal with. I saw your message. Please text me. Please call me. Please something, so I can talk to you in private. I think that is a much better way of dealing with it in private when I have time to talk to you, and so I can fully help you out. Okay, great. The reason why I want to talk to you in private is because, first of all, it's about you personally. I don't want to tell everyone about your stuff and where I want you to improve. That's kind of up to me and you to discuss. Also, the thing is that my brain is going so fast now I can't even think straight. Okay, cool. Yeah, okay. USD yen. What did I talk about USD yen about last week, bro? Where was that all about? Bullishness 1 week. I remember. Okay, so I remember saying this is a buy zone, and we were discussing this that week that this is a sell and you should get out. This is your target. It came down to the buy zone again, and I went up to target again. So yeah, I can't remember saying that this is a buy. But it's definitely the bullish trade plan, and I'm not going to take any credit for it whatsoever. But it seems like my pivot points that you guys are so some guys like, oh, it doesn't even work. I'm sorry, bro, but the price stopped precisely at my prices. It also came down to the buy prices that gave you the prices. You were much welcome. Boom, fantastic, good on you. So, coming into NFP, what are we gonna do? How does this look like? First of all, we are in July. I'm hoping that we are going to get some. We're gonna get some. I don't know. What do you call it? I just took off the music. Hope we're getting some volatility. It's July. I don't hope for much. So what I want to see on Euro New Zealand, by the way, for this one to head lower. That means that New Zealand needs to start heading higher. New Zealand needs to start heading higher. Maybe the best thing right now is New Zealand yen. Maybe. We shall see. Okay? So, which pairs should we follow? That I would need to make trade plans on. Okay? Which pair should we follow? I don't like Euro. I don't like Aussie. I don't like pound. I don't like New Zealand. Maybe New Zealand. Maybe. USD CAD. Oh, maybe. Yeah. So it's only gold is bullish of the dollar pairs at this moment. Okay. Great. What pair should we follow today? July is very bullish for Euro USD. Looking for stability, isn't it? Yes, it is. Very much happy. So it is a patience game, and if I can wait for a full month in April for my trades, I can wait a couple of extra days in July for Euro USD to turn around and get its act together. So we have one request for USD CAD. Okay. I will. Like, is there anyone else that wants that thing? So let me do some free advertising, not advertising anything at all. Just saying that if you want to join my Discord, if you find like what I'm talking about is interesting to you, if not, the Discord link is the Discord link is there. It's free. Don't charge you anything. Don't worry. And you are there. So I'm gonna start putting out my own trade plans as well. No, trades as well there, where I have my own chat where I put my trades on. So you all can follow me there as well. So it's all free. Don't worry. I'm here there to help you if you need my help. That's where you contact me, help, ask for help, ask for trade plan help, all those shenanigans, right? So USD CAD and dollar. The only thing that I have against USD CAD is because we also have CAD news normally today. So that could be a tricky, but you know, we're still very good traders and we always win. So we're going for bearish here, bullish there. Great. So what's currently the news here on USD CAD is this is the sell price. This is kind of a double top. This one can definitely just rise like this if it's bad news, and it can definitely come down and then up again. So you choose which team are you on. That is what I want to see. Which team? Please tell me. Are you dollar bullish or dollar dollar? Are you dollar bull? Are you dollar bear? Are you thinking dollar's going to go up, or are you thinking dollar's going to go down? I want your answers today, this morning. So we have 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. Then I'm going to set up another one up here, which is the FX Street kind of, what do you call it, live thing that they have. I'm just remembering to put off, take on, yeah, cool. Take off the sound of this thing that's really bothered. NFP range could be 400,000 to 1.01 million. I would agree. That's great. The other thing to look out for is the CAD news. Okay, we don't have unemployment today on the CAD. Okay, cool. There's only dollars today. Ooh, nice. Nice. You're bullish. Yeah. If you're bullish on it, I think you need a lower price before buying again. But yeah. Are you on a winning team today? Yeah, you are. Your guess is dollar down. You're on team. Happy Days on team cow. Is it Tower Cow you're talking about? All right, team cow. Here we go. I guess. No, not you. Everything else disappeared. Okay, so how can we make this smooth as a baby bun? Can we do this? No, it doesn't work. Ah. Okay, whatever. We just have to switch between them, I guess. Okay, switch between them. Because I can't show you my double screen, can I? I don't think that's possible. Okay, cool. So 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute. What's the timer? What's the timer? Timer is here. Is 1 minute left. I just need to make my charts looks pretty today. Okay, can we do that? And then this? No, we can't. Whatever. So on that. We are putting it there. Okay, and then gold, we just zoom in. Are you guys ready? You guys ready to go? We have a couple seconds left coming into the NFP. The most important thing of the year, of the month, sorry. And we're expecting 7,000 of this one here. If it goes higher, then expect, I think, dollar bullishness. If it goes lower, I think it's going to be dollar bearishness. We are tracking gold. We are tracking USD CAD at the moment. Let me go down to 5 minutes on this one and 5 minutes on this one. Let's see what the reaction will be. Current gold is at 780. Fell. Strong reaction. What's the NFP number? What is it? 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 Whoa! Whoa! All right. 850,000 new jobs. Wow. And oh no, 5.9 unemployment. Wow, that is way higher than expected. People are not getting employed. Interesting. So currently we are seeing dollar bullishness coming in. That was the first reaction. Price came up to 1784 before selling off again. We are down at 1776 again on gold. We are also seeing that CAD, International Merchandise Trade, was also negative. But here we are. All right, our average hourly earnings is at 3.6%. Okay, that's less than expected. A higher reading here would then say people are getting more pay. The question is that because of more people with low income jobs getting more employed, or what? We need to look into those details. Absolutely fantastic numbers here coming out of dollar. We have USD CAD actually now falling. We have gold in between. We have Euro USD coming in here right now. We have Euro USD. We have a flash fall here of a couple of pips down. The spike currently was not more than 20 pips. Cool. Congratulations. I guess it is the spike of the calendar right now is a 15 pip candle. Nothing more than that. We are maybe trying to find buyers before going higher on USD, on Euro USD. I just said that 80.50 higher and above reading will initiate dollar bullishness. So maybe, maybe not. But I always want euro dollar to rise. So if I can get that, that would be absolutely fantastic. All right. How's your trading guys? How's it going for you guys? What is your prediction on pound dollar? Prediction on pound dollar right now is currently falling because of the Delta variant, and UK is probably going back into some worse economic moves. But mostly I wanted to go higher, generally speaking. But last time I checked it, it hadn't moved around. It hadn't reversed from this bearish trend. So currently just waiting for it to make a more bullish move. As you can see here, we came down to target, perfectly on the target, my ladies and gentlemen. And then we are going higher right now. So what does this tell you about the American economy? It tells you about the American economy is that it's going stronger than expected. We now need to reposition ourselves for a more stronger economic outturn. What is that going to do? How is that going to reflect into trading? We are probably going to reflect into trading by hopefully dollar bearishness. But currently we are seeing dollar flying downwards, as we can see on both gold and CAD. No, on pound. So if you're looking for dollar buys, I think you would need to wait for a moment. We also came into target for buyers on DXY. That could also be the reason why we are falling. It's just because we took profit and we are just finding a bit lower price to buy again. So mixed feelings about this one is absolutely correct. And what I'm going to tell you guys right now, I literally need to get over to Trader Nick's channel because I'm supposed to be there right now. The thing is, what is my reaction here? I hope for dollar bearishness to continue. I want to look for dollar bearishness as we continue into the day. If you are in my if you are in my Discord channel for free, by the way, you can come there and you will see. You can ask me if I'm going to buy anything or if I'm going to sell anything. So you will get the live updates throughout the day. I will also make a pivot point post a pivot point video today, so you will see all my rules. Hope you are definitely excited about that. But yeah. So what did we see before this live? We said that gold should go higher. What are we currently seeing? We're currently seeing that gold is actually trying to go higher. Absolutely what I wanted to see. But boom, boom. Have a great day, and I see you soon.